People who are resistant to good work is a clear sign that they're going to the three lower realms. Why? If you're going to do good work, you won't go to the three lower realms. If you're resistant to doing good work, you're going to the three lower realms. So when people here say, oh, I'm not ready. Oh, I want a normal life. Oh, I want to escape. Oh, I need more time. It's actually their negative karma speaking very loudly. I'm not criticizing and I'm not justifying. It is the truth. And they shouldn't be proud. They shouldn't be proud. They shouldn't increase that. They shouldn't indulge in their delusion. They shouldn't indulge in their projections. They shouldn't indulge in their negative karma. If the Lama gives you an assignment, do it. Don't make excuses. Don't cover. Don't keep saying maybe. Don't make conditions. Don't bargain. Do it no matter how difficult. Why? If you refuse, and it's Dharma work that benefits others, is a clear sign going to the three lower realms. Because why? What would you do to substitute to that? Sleep more? Eat more? Go do more work? Make more money? Go to more parties? Have more fun? Have more sex? What would you be doing instead? What would you be doing instead? So if you're doing something better instead, then it must mean that you're very happy with that. But if the Lama gives you some work and you refuse, or you're resistant, or you bargain, or you have an agenda or ulterior motive, it's a clear indication you're going to the three lower realms. Why? Because the job the Lama gives you to help you to go to a higher level. And you refuse. When you make difficulties, or you make excuses. I can't, I don't want to. I want freedom, I need more time. You don't have more time. You don't have more time. And if you don't do the job, what would you do instead? And then people like to justify that and make very big romantic statements like, oh, I need some time, I need some freedom. I want to be a normal person. I need something for myself. It's all crap. Why is that crap? Why is that crap? Hold up. Why? What have you been doing for yourself and where are you now? Where are you now? And where do you think you're heading to? So maybe this life might be crap. And for the rest of your life, it might be crap, money problems, difficulty, relation problems. But if you do Dharma work, you will create the karma not to be like that in the future. So if you refuse, if you check it's Dharma work, you don't have the virtues to do it. If you use that as some kind of, oh, you know, well, I don't have the virtues to do it. See, that's me, and you glamorize that. You are, in fact, making that karma even stronger. It's kind of like rejoicing, justifying. And then you spread the wrong view to other people to believe that and to make them think like that too. So when you make other people believe your justification, you're sending a message to them to also justify for them and refuse them to do Dharma work. It's very negative. Very, very negative. When a high Lama, when an attained being assigned to a work and you refuse, is a very negative sign. Why? When he gives you teachings, you're like that. When he gives advice to others, you're like that. When he does divination, you're like, wow. When he does pujas for you, you get results like, wow. But when he gives you a direct advice to do this, why do you not say wow? Why do you refuse? You're being selective. Why are you being selective? Negative karma very strong. That's where guru devotion plays a role. To become a slave? No. You're not becoming a slave. You're not becoming a slave, you're becoming free. Why? He's helping you cut away your indulgence and your delusions. He's cutting away your indulgence in your own samsara activities that's brought you nowhere. So, are you becoming a slave to the Lama, to the Dharma, and you lose your freedom? You're absolutely ridiculous. You're in fact becoming free. Free of your indulgence, your delusions, your illusions, your projections, and all the crap things you've done in your life that got you nowhere. Some people say, oh, you know what? I have kids, I'm committed to them. Don't advertise. That's an extension of your lust. It's an extension of your great lust. So don't advertise them. Don't hide it, don't advertise. Don't use that excuse. Oh, I have to take care of my kids, I have to take care of my kids. I don't have time for Dharma, I don't have time for Dharma, I'll take care of my kids. Why do you advertise how lusty you were? Why do you advertise? Would you like a dollar and say to you, hey, I have kids and I can't help the world. I'm not giving you college chocolate, but take care of my daughter. Come on. Imagine the Lama tells us that. Oh, we're going to Trajanity, Saranti, all these people say, hey, I can't do divinations for you because my daughter's diaper's got to be changed. See you later. What? So he's making an excuse and justifying his lust. No. Wrong view. So are you wrong? Are you bad? No, you didn't understand all this. What do? You think about it. You logically meditate and think about it. Oh yeah, I think about it that way. And people like to do that in the modern world. I'm busy, I don't have time, I need to go home, fix my hair, I need to fix my face, I need to do this, I need to take care of my kids, I feed my dog, I need to take care of my mother, I need to take care of the house, I need to pay my bills, I got commitments. They like to use that all as an excuse. Actually, it's just an excuse. It is just an excuse. Why? If you check what they're doing in place of Dharma, it's nothing useful. Nothing useful at all. Why do I say nothing useful? It doesn't benefit them at the time of death, in their future life, or their daughter, or their son, or their mother, or their father. It benefits nobody. In fact, it drags everybody down. And then what's the example you set to people that you love, your children? It's okay to indulge in your fantasies. It's okay to indulge in your delusions and illusions. It's okay to indulge in yourself. That's the message you send. Why? They're watching you. They are watching you. You check your kids and see how much you get into Dharma. How much you get into Dharma is how much you're in Dharma. Because that's an example you set. Then you think, oh, I give them the education, I give them food, I give them a nice house, that's my job, right? That's not your job. A dog can do that for their dog, for their puppies. A dog can find a nest, a bird can build a nest and give food and help the chicks to grow. A polar bear can do that. Polar bear keeps their baby with them 7 seasons. So I think you're much more than a bird, than a polar bear. So the example you set your kids is what you must examine. You must not show commitment toward money and house and relationships and sex and fun. It's part of life. It's part of package and parcel. Yes, but that's not what you should teach your kids. What you should teach your kids is commitment to Dharma, to attainment, and to future lives. Then when you die, it will be all right. You think giving them money, they're going to be all right? Do you think giving them a nice house, they'll be all right? If they don't have the karma to receive all this, once you're gone, they're finished. Because you're not going to be around to share their karma with them to protect them. Once you're gone, you take their karma with them. They're left on their own. Oh yes? So if you don't set that example, you check your kids, how much dharma they do. It depends on the example they see. Why? They have some karma to be with you. They have some karma to reincarnate with you. So that means they have good and bad karma in them, ready to write them, depending on which one is triggered. So if you're always doing samsara activity, me, fun, they watch this, and they will trigger that and then say, oh, mommy does it, daddy does it, I'll do it too. Simple. But if they see mommy and daddy committing doing dharma and blah, and they see that that's their priority, they will change. And don't say what you don't do, because they'll believe you now, they won't believe you when they grow older, because they'll accept it. Look, when you were kids, you saw a lot of things you didn't understand. Now when you think back, say, oh yeah, I understand now. They have the same situation. So what do you want to leave behind your legacy to your kids? Not money, not house, not education. Those are good. Dharma. If you care about your kids, leave Dharma behind. How do you leave Dharma behind? You do Dharma. That's the example they follow. So if your kids grow up to be spoiled, rotten monsters, they don't care, they can't sit for Dharma talk, they're itchy, and they're belly aching, they're tired, that's what you've ingrained inside of them. Then you say you love them. You don't love them, you love yourself. Why? Because they're copying you. And their actions are negative and impatient for virtuous things, and patient for non-virtuous things. They copied you. Since they've copied you, you don't love them, you love yourself. That you deceive yourself. And without wanting to. No one does that to their child. No way. But through your illusions, you deceive them. So people say, oh, I love my daughter, that's why I take time and I share with her and I go with her, I do this, wrong. Look, I don't want to use myself as a perfect example. I didn't even have a mother. I didn't even have a father. My karma manifested, and I'm doing what I'm doing. So like that. My point is what? My point is, get a hold of reality. That's my job, to teach you reality, not to criticize you. If you feel this is criticism, you're absolutely wrong. It's not criticism. If what we take as criticism, all Dharma is criticism, because everything of a Dharma is contradictory to what we're doing anyways. So then everything, Buddha is criticizing you. If you want to go to that level. Why would I want to criticize you? I want your love, I want your care, I want you to massage me, I want you to take care of me, sponsor me, give me your money, give me your care, respect me, give me thrones. I want you to keep me in this country and bury me and make sure I get a nice coffin. So wouldn't it be smart if I'm nice to you? Wouldn't it be nice if I tell you things you like? Sure, you're doing a great job. You're going to do that next life, I promise you. Imagine I tell that. No, I'll tell you the truth. It may not be pleasant, but it's not criticism. Why? I'm not going to get anywhere by criticizing you. No, I'm not going to get anywhere by hurting you. I'm not going to fulfill my own wishes by hurting you if my motive is ulterior and have an agenda. I'm getting to it. But some people criticize about, oh, her, he's like that, why like that, why don't you like that? They always say, why? Look in the mirror and ask yourself why. They always do that. But once they know them better, they regret, they're embarrassed. They ooh, I feel embarrassed. I feel embarrassed about talking about it. And then they come to teach you to sit in the back like this. Taking the law's clairvoyance. I'm a good actor. So what happens is, this is delicious.